warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And by names of Rukaya Namagembe. I'm a female Ugandan by nationality, holding a diploma in computer science. Before, I was a Catholic. My name was Ruth. After converting to Muslim religion, it changed to Rukaya. It's a bit amazing because before I knew Muslim and I know about Islamic religion, but I didn't get a chance to find what exactly Islam is. But I thank God to come to this country because I was working in security before. I find someone from my country. He introduced myself to me. He's saying, I'm working with the Discover Islam. Are you Muslim? I told him, no, I'm not. Then he asked me, but are you interested to join Islam? Because I had that feeling before. But I didn't get a chance because of my parents are not Muslim. But the other, we have two parts for my country. We have people for Muslim and the Catholic. But my parents was Catholic, so I find it hard to change it when I'm still there. But that guy, he told me, no, we don't force someone to become Muslim. But if you have that feeling, you can read it more, then you understand. I met someone, it's called Sheikh Abdul Jalil from Discover Again. He had some teachings about Jesus, yet I know Jesus before. It was a bit interesting. Then I wanted to know more. Then he said, okay, we have some teachings every Thursday. If you are really interested, you can join. We make a program with you. We join for the classes. Then I thought, okay, let me try. Because I was doing security, I didn't get a chance for that day. I tried to get that feeling. I called him, can I join the class? He said, okay, no problem. But that day was for Hindi. Yet I don't understand the Hindi. Then I said, okay, let me try. But voila, what I realized before, I didn't know that Muslim people are kind. They have that, I don't know, they have that brotherhoodness, you understand? They have that, the hospitality. They welcome you as you are, you understand? I found a lady said, why you are here? I told her, I don't understand the Hindi, but the lesson is for Indian. No, come, I teach you. He started teaching me. Again, I felt good. She treated me like someone, me before. I thought, how can I, because I heard the word shahada. What's the shahada? Then she taught me about shahada. Okay, let me do it today. It was December 4th. So he told me, once you said your shahada, it means you're fully Muslim. I said, no problem, because I had that interest. I thought, okay, let me become Muslim so that I get to know more. Yeah, that's how I got to be a Muslim. For sure, Islam, it changed my life totally. The way I dress now, you see, now I feel comfortable. Everyone trusts me. They do respect me. I feel good total. And secondly, I've got many friends from Muslim religion because now I'm participating in that volunteer work for Dawah, you know, Dawah. Yeah, I do participate in Dawah. So I have many friends which is Muslim and I get many things. Now I have a good job with a good man. Before I was doing security, getting small money, but now at least, yeah, it changed the way I put on and even my status also, yeah. Anyway, it's in some, they find it like, it's like I have killed someone. But some, they welcomed me because in our family, I told you before, we have two people. My cousins are Muslim and my family are Christian. So my daddy has no problem with me to become a Muslim because even brother, sister for him is same. They are Muslim also. But some also, they try to avoid me, you know. They see me like, you changed totally. And even before I was working security, I was staying in accommodation. My fellow friends, they start avoiding me. You see how you pray, you know? Because I used to get aside, I pray my prayers. Yet they see it like another. I had friends who used to go out. They call you, Ruth, you go out? No, I will not go. You know? Why? Because you are Muslim. You see, now you are becoming crazy. You see, people, they are avoiding you. But me, I decide, because I feel comfortable and I have no problem with it. Because I know, if you are good, you get a good people. Now many people are coming to me, unlike before, you understand? And I get many things like respect. Many people, they do respect me like than before. We have, as I told you, I joined Islam through Discover Islam. We have lessons. Yeah, we have lessons, we go. Because me, I like learning more so that I can, not putting a barrier that is the only way that showing me that I'm a Muslim, but I want to know, yeah, about Islam. Well, what I can say to those people, because even me, before when I didn't know, people, they talk a lot. But what I can advise them, to study more about Islam. We have no difference with other religion, but for us, we do believe one God. You understand? Once you read more, you understand. What I advise them to read more, because Islam is universal. Even if I'm black, you are white, it doesn't, you understand? It's for everyone. So they have to read more so that you understand, yeah, about Islam. Once you understand, everything goes smoothly.